Okay, I am at, where am I at? Um, Lucky Cats? Let me say this right. Spice in the City, Dallas. That's where I am. Oop. I just met the general manager, Robert. He is awesome sauce. He comes around, I mean, chef, high class chef style. I mean, really nice. Or in this place, high class management. And just double checking to see if everything's going good. This place is hashtag amazing. You see that? I mean, I'll show you pictures and things later, but the palm trees, the weather's perfect. I am number 11, or two times one. One. Everybody want to be first. I'm twice as much. Yes. Two ones. Or 11. Depends on how you look at it. I say two ones. I'm so good I get to be not just first, but first twice. Anyhow, I am getting in here. This is good. So this is what I got. A Poblano Burger, I believe, and some tater tots instead of the fries, the sweet potato fries. I got a vegan chai, and then some water with some lemon. But look how cute. Salt, cayenne, and black pepper. And I even have mince. I swear, it's like me. I just like came here and just designed this. But let's go in and see what it tastes like. Let's see, they had condiments and everything over there. But I'm gonna go in just how it came. All in one bite. Let's see. Initial taste on the tongue, it was absolutely pleasant. It's not too dry, not too moist. It's moist in all the right places, not soggy. Jalapeno, not too spicy. I actually got a big bite. I was worried about that overpowering. Service is just first class. I absolutely love it. Oh, it's served on a brioche bun. I want to say that too. I won't make him nervous because we all got to do our job without having somebody recording us the whole time, right? But you definitely have to come check them out because I definitely will be over the next couple of days. There's so many things on that menu I want to try. They've got vegan options. They even have vegan options on their Sex in the... Oh, we know where I'm going with that. Spice in the City. Spice in the City menu. So make sure you look at both of those. Yeah. Tater tots are fried lightly on the outside, soft on the inside. Yeah, very soft on the inside, meaning it wasn't sat in the grease for too long, or the oil. Like it. Like it, like it, like it. Hope I don't pay for this ketchup. I told him I have no excuse to have a bellyache when I leave Dallas. Not staying at the Magnolia. It's walking distance to the Magnolia. with heels on. I literally have on heels and walked over here, so. Whoa. Yeah. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to get in here so I can enjoy the rest of this. Let me just say again, I don't know if I gave you guys a flavor. Let's go back. Mm-hmm. Very light red onion. That's a good, if you were a meat eater, you would say this was a good burger. Maybe a tempura portobello mushroom burger with fried onions and jalapenos on top. That's what this tastes like in the kind of carnivorous world. There it is, you guys. Enjoy. Definitely check them out. Spice in the City, Dallas is located at 1512 Commerce Street, Suite 100, Dallas, Texas, 75201. Right by Studio 1514 across the street from the flagship Neiman Marcus. In case you needed to see that, hopefully I can get that in there. Till next time, loving you always. Peace.